Now, when a claimant accuses an insured of negligence, the insured may use one of several defenses against negligence. Few jurisdictions utilize the theory of contributory negligence because it prevents the claimant from receiving damages if he or she contributed in any way to the loss. Most jurisdictions use some type of comparative negligence, which allows a claimant to recover damages based on his or her degree of negligence. For example, Bob and Sue were involved in a car crash. Bob is 70% at fault and Sue is 30% at fault. Sue would be able to collect 70% of damages from Bob, and Bob's ability to cover 30% of his damages from Sue will depend upon the state law. Now, assumption of risk is not commonly used as a defense against negligence, although it was commonly used in the early 1900s in the mining and logging industries. But today, in order for assumption of risk to be used successfully, the claimant must have specific and factual knowledge about the potential for injury, such as when bungee jumping off of a bridge. When using an intervening clause as a defense against negligence, the defendant must cite the occurrence of a second negligent act that occurred after the negligent act cited by the claimant and before the loss occurred, and that interfered with the chain of events leading to the loss. For example, Mary sues the grocery store because she slipped and fell in its icy parking lot and broke her leg. The grocery store claims Mr. Smith's golden retriever jumped on Mary and caused her to fall. The enthusiastic golden retriever is the intervening cause. In addition to common law defenses, statutory law defenses are also available. Statutory defenses against negligence are enacted by the state legislature and govern how comparative negligence is practiced within a jurisdiction of a given state. Be sure to understand the difference between contributory negligence, where the insured cannot collect damages if contributing to his injury, and comparative negligence, which is where the injured party collects damages based on his percentage of negligence.